Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero on RPCS3. First, download the latest RPCS3 emulator from its official website. Next, acquire the PlayStation 3 firmware file and install it within the emulator. This crucial step enables the system to function correctly. Finally, configure your basic input device, whether it's a keyboard or a standard controller, for navigating the emulator's menus. This initial setup is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Once RPCS3 is ready, it's time to get your Guitar Hero game installed. You'll need to acquire your game disk or a digital backup, and then install its data directly into the emulator. After installation, navigate to the graphics settings. Here, you can fine-tune options like resolution scaling and anti-aliasing for the best visual experience. Don't forget to set your audio output to your preferred device to ensure you hear every note perfectly during gameplay. Now for the most exciting part, setting up your Guitar Hero controller. Connect your guitar to your computer, typically via USB. Open RPCS3 controller settings and select your guitar as the input device. Carefully map each of the 5 fret buttons, the strum bar, and any other necessary controls like the whammy bar or star power button. After mapping, launch the game and test your controller thoroughly to ensure every input registers correctly and responsively. This ensures a seamless rock experience. To ensure the best Guitar Hero experience, consider these performance and troubleshooting tips. Enabling VSync can prevent distracting screen tearing, making your visuals much smoother. Experiment with CPU and GPU settings within RPCS3. Sometimes minor adjustments can yield significant frame rate improvements. If you encounter issues, check the RPCS3 wiki for game-specific compatibility notes and recommended configurations. Finally, always keep your graphics drivers updated to the latest version for optimal stability and performance across all your games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.